Just allow your head and your neck to relax. Wherever you're lying or sitting down, just allow the energy of love, the miracles, to spread through your body. And allow now the energy of beauty to come in as you relax your head and your neck. And the energy of Sirius, that beautiful, miraculous star, is beaming its beautiful blue light of truth upon you. And this beautiful healing light goes down one vertebrae at a time, cascading down your shoulders, filling up your head and your neck, this beautiful, relaxing light. And it goes down like a staircase of your spine, remembering who you are, awakening the cells that have been dormant, going into your chest, filling up your arms with this beautiful elixir of relaxation, this love, the one that is connected with that light above you and all around you. And allow this energy to flow down your heart space, your belly, your sacral, your tailbone, your buttocks, your thighs, your upper legs, your quads, your hamstrings, glowing beautifully in the light, your knees spiraling down, your shins relaxing, your calves relaxing, your ankles relaxing, your feet relaxing, all your toes relaxing, and the bottom of the soles of your feet relaxing. Allow this beautiful, miraculous light to go around your body, to go all around you in this cocoon, and nesticized with this loving, nurturing energy, like the nurture that the moon gives you at night. And as you take this beautiful deep breath in and out, feel how you're being supported by your chair or your cushion. And with each deep breath, allow every tension to melt away. And now imagine also that that beautiful, miraculous light, the star of miracles, the blue light of Sirius, streaming down from above, again, all around you in this cocoon of gentle, healing light. And with each breath, this light becomes stronger, becomes clearer. And now imagine or visualize, as I count from 3 to 1, you're going to be in a beautiful, peaceful state of relaxation, in a vast, expansive state of creative expression. 3, allow yourself to go deeper with every number back. 2, relaxing even more, surrendering into your soul, and 1, surrender into this space of deep relaxation. And now imagine, visualize, perceive a path of this starlight stretching out before you. And this star shimmers this path. And this is the path into your beautiful future. And see how it sparkles and shimmers with all possibilities. It's the path of possibilities. And as you look down this path, you're in this beautiful spaciousness area of all possibilities. You begin to notice or see someone in the far distance, and they're glowing in the light, and they're surrounded by the same similar frequency of beautiful blue light, light of truth. And just walk towards them. And as you walk towards them, you see they have your eyes. They have your beautiful beating heart. This is your future self, waiting to connect with you. They've navigated the changes of the year, of the past. They've discovered new strengths. They've manifested beautiful experiences. And they're here to share their wisdom with you. And they take you by the hand. And they say, walk with me on this shimmering pathway, this lit, beautiful, magical light. You walk and you're both glowing. And it's this beautiful path of magical change. And you walk, and it's 5 years ahead. Feel how you're feeling. Breathe the way you're breathing. It's the path of courage. And they already manifested all of this. And you're just walking along to see what you have created. And you walk even further because you love what they created 5 years ahead. And each step, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years of the future you. And as you move closer, notice how your future self, how they hold themselves. See the confidence in the posture, peace in their smile, that beautiful, gorgeous smile. It's 10 years ahead. The wisdom in their eyes, those are your eyes. And just feel the energy as they radiate. And it's both familiar, it's evolved. This is you. This is you, angel. But this is you after experiencing profound growth and transformation. And your future self begins to share with you 3 gifts. 3 gifts. First gift is a feeling. Notice what emotion that they're sharing with you at this moment in time. Maybe it's peace. Maybe it's confidence. Maybe it's joy. Maybe it's courage. Maybe it's so much love. Just let this feeling permeate into every cell of your body. And the second gift is a word or a phrase, a message. A message. That's exactly what you need to hear at this moment in time. And let this message write itself in your heart. Third gift is a vision, and it's a glimpse of something beautiful that's awaiting for you. And let that image imprint itself in your mind now. And if it can't come into full focus, don't worry. It will. Let this image imprint itself in your mind. And now your beautiful future self opens their arms and step forward and hug her or him or them. Embrace them and feel this love and wisdom that's flowing between you. That's the unity. Future self is like the angelic aspect of you. And every time you see 1111, it won't just remind you of the angels that are around you. It reminds you that your own higher self and future self supports you. And know that this version of you is always accessible, always ready to guide you. And as you step back, your future self whispers one last thing, a secret about your amazing potential, about that light, that gift, that magic it's already within you. Just let these words sink deep into your beautiful soul. And while you're resting, as you bow down and embrace your future self, begin to walk back on your own. 9 years, 8, 7, feeling yourself returning to the present moment. 6, carrying these gifts from your future self, the feeling, message, vision, secret. 5, know with every choice you make, every time you choose love over fear, hope over doubt, you're moving closer to becoming this radiant future version of yourself. 5, 4, 3, slowly coming back to the here and now. 3, 2, and 1. And you could lay there, rest, ground yourself. And whenever you're ready, only when you're ready, you can write down any messages or vision that you received. You are the light. You are the love. You are the joy. You are a gift. You are what you have been seeking. Namaste.